Hello everyone, this is Jeff Twardowski with UB Successful. In this video, I'll show you how to export a notes document to a PDF file. We make one assumption. You are using the HCL Notes Client version 11 with FixPack 1. Let's get started. The HCL Notes Client version 11 FixPack 1 has added an exciting new feature. One component that users have always wanted from Notes is the ability to export to a PDF file. That's not to say that people haven't found ways to perform this function. There are third-party software products that can perform this export either from the Notes client or from the Domino server. Users have installed print-to-PDF drivers to generate PDF files. Some have even used third-party Java libraries and agents that would generate PDF files. Today, we can use Notes to generate the PDF file. Let's see how that works. Go to your email, select a message you would like to export to a PDF file, select File, select Export, select the location or directory you wish to save the PDF file, change the Save As type to PDF document, type a file name, select the Export button. Depending upon the size of the document, this may take a few seconds. Open Microsoft Windows File Explorer. Notice in the location that we selected above is our PDF document. Adobe PDF Reader is already installed on this computer. Open the document by double-clicking. Here's the content of the email message. Notice in the PDF the attachment from the email is simply a picture. Notes attachments are not processed into the PDF document. If you need attachments to embed in the PDF documents, there are some third-party softwares for Notes and Domino that can perform this function. Let's generate a PDF document from a Domino application. Here's our problem and answer application. If you wish to have a problem and answer Domino application, see our upcoming videos to create your own Domino application. You may open a document in one of your Domino applications. Select File, select Export, select the location or directory you wish to save the PDF file, change the Save As type to PDF document, type a file name, select the Export button, return to Windows File Explorer, open the document by double-clicking. Here's the content of the Domino document. If you are using a third-party product to export Notes and Domino data to a PDF file, please let us know in the comments below. I hope our videos will help you be successful.